Simply click on Start Lab, right click over here and open the console incognito window. Now from here, click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. It's very simple, and do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Also, if you've got any pop-up, just click on I understand and agree and continue. Also in the Cloud Shell, just click on continue and then just authorize yourself. Now I'm just increasing the text size. Now let's come to the lab instruction and just come to the lab setup. But before it, we need to clone the repository for just copying the files. So just copy it, paste over here, hit enter. We have to clone the repository, okay, in which we'll be working. So wait for it. It will take few seconds. Now once it is done, you have to just change the directory. I ran the second command. After that, we have to run the cmod command. And next thing is that we have to set up the region and zone. So this command helps us to set the region and zone. So this is also done. Now what we need to do, we need to run the make project command. Now just type Y and hit enter. It will again take some time, wait for it. And for other lab solutions, you can always refer to the channel playlist. Once it is done, come over here, run the cat command, it will just list all the file. Now we have to apply it. Now if you try to check the score, let's see whether it works or not. So yes, you have to type yes in small letters and then hit enter. Now this cluster creation will mostly take 10 to 15 minutes, sometimes up to 6 to 8 minutes. You can see it's showing 6.50 minutes, 6 minutes 50 seconds. So it depends. You can try to check the score again. Now, if you want this yellow check my progress bar, you can check the description how to enable check my progress bar. So here you can see all these tasks are there. So first of all, come over here and from here just initiate the session. Now if you get error, rerun the command or simply restart the lab if still shows error. Now just install Google Cloud SDK, type Y, hit enter. Now just export it. And after that, just run this. Now the next thing we have to install the hello server. So first of all, run this apply command to create the hello client. Try to check the score. See, if you're not getting the score, you need to wait for a few seconds and try again. Now run the next command over here. Keep trying to check the score. You can see here output is being generated. Lab takes time to update the score, so do not worry about it. So finally we got the score. Now the next thing what you need to do, okay, just let me see. We have to deploy the second one also. So for that, just copy this command from task number C. To exit it, press Ctrl C together. Now just paste it over here. Okay. If you are getting error, do not worry about it. Just move to the next step. And after that, run the tail command. Again, to exit, press Ctrl C together and then paste it. So after that, try to check the score. You'll surely get the score if you're following it. It will take few seconds, wait for it. And if you don't know about this program, how to participate, all the things, you can simply come to the playlist or just check the description box. All the resources are there for you. Okay. Also check the master sheet. I have attached all the resources here. All your doubts are there. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.